Hi guys, in this video we are going to be discussing the broker tick PVA indicator. All right, PVA stands for price volume analysis. Okay, so this indicator is designed to provide traders with valuable insights into market dynamics. All right, it tries to analyze the relationship between price movements and trading volume, helping to gauge market sentiment, and displaying potential price reversals. All right. So as you can see in the indicator window, you will notice that there are some spiking bars there, right? So these are the things to pay attention to. Okay, when you notice a red bar spiking, it could be that there is significant sell volume at the time. All right, you can see what happened here. Right? And then in the case of a green candle, it could be that there is some notable buy volume at the time. Okay, especially when the bars are long. When you notice a long bar, like you can see what happened here, right? You can see how this price candle was quite long, coinciding with this broker tick candle here. Okay, so pay attention to the colors. Okay, most especially you should be looking out for the red and the green. All right, so always pay attention to your price action alongside the indicator. Look out for candlestick patterns, look out for chart patterns that complement the signals the indicator is giving you. So when you have a confluence, then you can proceed to execute a trade. If you want to execute a buy trade, please ensure you have buy confirmations. If you want to execute a sell trade, please ensure that you have sell confirmations, right? So that is it, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, feel free to do so now so that you do not miss out on more valuable content. Turn on your notifications and share the video with others who would find it valuable, if you will. Okay, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.